Yo guys, what is up? And today we are back with another video. Today is part 5. And I've only had this trombone for 2 days. Okay, I know I look a little weird. Okay, this is better. Hey, by the way, shout out to all the dudes out there. And dude girl. I don't know why you dude girl and boy. We're sponsored. Let's say nothing sponsored in this video. Dude. Alright, but today we are going to be doing part 5. Okay, and today I have no song. Hopefully this works. I don't know exactly. I'm just going to fool around. Sometimes I might just do something. I don't know. We'll see. Hold on for a second. I'm only one call. I'm only one call away. Okay.
When it comes to retirement planning, one smart idea can make all the difference. So just imagine what 65 smart...
Okay, guys. So, as you can see right here, trombone case. It's a weird one. It's very different than everybody else's, but yeah, you can't see it right now, the case, because it's on the ground. This is high, so you can see when I'm playing. Actually, maybe I can put this over closer and put it down. Alright, so if you can see, oh shit, oh, now you can definitely see. Alright, there's trombone. Alright. Let's put this thing together. Whew! That's a little longer, 6 seconds, but alright. Today we're gonna put together. I should already have these set up. But whatever. You guys are lucky. Oh, I should show you the after time after I play. I might do it in my other videos to make sure to make, like, you know how, saliva, some of it just came out. Sometimes saliva is like, more's coming out. I just did it. I just did the saliva thing outside. You really had to do that to me? Oh, this is disgusting. Oh, this is disgusting. Oh, you guys don't see it. Ew, that's so disgusting. I need to stop playing this too much. This is what happens when you play trombone. I'm taking a... You know what? No. One, that's disgusting. Two, I need to clean. Alright, sorry about that, guys. Hey, guys. Let's get this started. Chicky. Chicky. Alright, text. That was a test. Let's see. Alright, so today we're going to be doing I'm Only One Call Away and maybe Girls Like You. If you don't like Girls Like You, I don't hate you, but whatever. First, I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save the day. Superman got nothing, oh dude. I'm only one dude away. Yeah! Okay. Let's get this started. I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save the day. Superman got nothing on me. I'm only one call away. You guys can keep it but you can't do the whole song properly. But I'm gonna keep going. I'm just making this up, kind of. So. You know you're not alone. I'm only one. Feels like it's gonna be another video. That was a bad message. I'll be Okay, that was that. Comment down below how you like that and other songs that you want me to play. And that'll be it for this video. Next song, I'll do another song. I'll try and do one really fast next time. I'll try and hurry it up. And my instrument will all be built because it'll be in the same day.